Hello from Singapore. My name is Dennis Chai. I'm the application specialist, and today I would like to do a demonstration on how to set up multi-group TFM for inspection. So we've got the X3 over here, and we've got a well sample with uh, A5L32 SA32 probe. So let's start. Go to the scan plan. This is a Weld, yes, and this is a half inch or 12.7. Okay, so we choose our probe. So this is a A32, 5L32, A32. Select. Then we choose the wedge. So you can see that the SA32 is automatically selected when you choose the probe. So this is a N55S. Okay, next we put the offset. So it's roughly about 10 mm from the center line. And we go to groups. Okay, choose TFM. So you can see the aim and your zone. So first we take care of the pulse echo groups, and in this case we want both the TT and the 4T over here. So let's choose TT first. Okay, set the zone. So it's 12.7. Maybe we choose minus 12.7 from the center line to give it a nice even shape. Okay. I would also want to rename this to 2T. Just easy to remember. Next, we can add another group. So we can either add or clone. In this case, I just click clone so that my zone will be the same. So again, I will choose my 4T. And let me just rename this guy to 4T. Okay, so I've got my half skip and full skip set up already. Next, what else do I need? Let's continue. Click clone here. So we go to the self-tandem techniques and we choose the 3T. Okay, so what does 3T do? It's very good to detect vertical defects from the root. So I change it again, 3T. Okay, let's add the last group. And I would choose 5T. So the reason we choose 5T is to look for defects, vertical defects from the OD or the top section over here. So let's just rename this guy 5T. Okay, click done. So give it a second. It's got to process all the groups individually and sum it up. So over here, let's click multiple. So you can see all four groups. This is the 2T, 4T, 3T, and 5T. Okay, so maybe we do some fine tuning. Go to TFM settings, general. Let's pin this guy on the side. Okay, so envelope is on. Great. The voltage, let's put high voltage 115. So it's global for this guy. And we can see the TFM zone settings. It's exactly like what we defined earlier. You can of course modify them. And the resolution is 0.17 for all four groups. And you can see that the amplitude fidelity is 1.9 dB, and this is below the required 2 dB threshold. If you like, you could also change the color scale. So personally, I prefer the white background so that you can see any kind of noise or signal. So let's try to do a scan. So the gain now is at 20 dB. Looks okay. Okay, we see a lot of cap signals and excess penetration signals. As we come over here, whoa. So we see a defect on the root, and we see it from the 2T, 4T. So of course the 2T will give you the direct heat, give you the best signal. So let's keep going. Okay, so we get another signal over here. So this is on the full skip or 4T, and you can see that this signal is it gives you a very high amplitude on the sidewall, so it's a lack of sidewall fusion. We also see a little bit of it on the 5T, and even on the a little bit on the 3T over here.